All right, this is Rainy Day Treasure Hunters, and I'm back at the soccer park where I found the gold ring a couple days ago, and I've gone to AM mode on my MineLab. That's all mic, right? And look what just popped out. I just flipped the plug, haven't even cleared the shovel yet. It flipped over and it smiled at me, but it ducked back down. So let me dig this up. Oh, it's a little turquoise silver ring. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And it might just be a junker. Let's take a peek. It looks sort of vintage, actually. It is a cute little turquoise silver ring. And I don't see any markings on it. Huh. Well, it's gonna need to be cleaned up a little bit, but it's a cute little silver turquoise rings. It looks like, 1970s. And from what I've been digging underneath this field, there was some old homesteads here. So let me clean it up. I'll look for a 925. If not, it's a ring. It's a ring, and I'll take it. Aha! Keep swinging, keep digging.